Hi, it's Ms. Moore from the East Brunswick Public Library, and today I'm here to show you how to make your own lava lamp. The first thing I'm going to do is cover my surface that I'm working with. I use some newspaper to cover it, and I just put that down on the table. Next, I have some vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you have at home. And you're going to pour roughly 6 ounces of it into the cup that you were given in your packet. So I'm just pouring it in. Now I have my oil in my cup. Next, I'm going to measure out 2 ounces of water. And I'm going to pour the water in to my cup with oil. And I'm going to wait. You can see that the oil floats on top of the water because the water is more dense. Next, you were given packets of food coloring. You can mix the colors or you can choose to use just one color. That's fully up to you. Be careful with the food coloring because it might sting you. I'm going to open it up carefully and I'm going to pour it in. What do you think will happen? Will it float or will it sink? You can see it floats to the bottom just like the water did, or I should say sinks. Next, you are given packets of alka seltzer tabs. What you're going to do is you're going to open it and then you can break up the tabs into smaller pieces using your hands. You can break them up as small as you'd like, or you can leave them as large as you like. And then what you're going to do is you're going to keep your cup down and you're going to drop in the tabs and watch to see what happens. And you can start to see that there's a reaction happening. And there you have it, your own do-it-yourself lava lamp. You can use more Alka-Seltzer tabs. We did give you 2. And you can drop them in to continue to watch the reaction. I hope you like this experiment, and I'll see you at the library. Bye-bye.